Alright you guys, so we are going to go into beating this face. We're going to chisel it out. So we are going to go in with the BARNES palette. This palette, y'all, is amazing. We are going to use this bad boy to chisel our face. If you guys see pictures of me like really beat after I said that I got these palettes, this is the palette. But I take the exact technique from BARNES from that video, y'all. Okay, so I'm going to pick up Sculpt. Yes, this one is so dork, but he does show how to use the colors. So I'm gonna go in and you guys will see that this really does make a difference. Like I start doing it how he does it. I start it from behind the ear and then I just chisel all the way down. And it's like double chin who. I'm sure you can use this technique with everything, but like his colors are amazing and they're perfect. So look at this side and then look at this side. Well, bam. And you could go ham, like you could go really like ham into it and mix colors and just really slice your jawline. And then don't forget to drag it down, that's what he says. But this palette is amazing and I like using it. So this is just like a regular old Luxie brush. It's like the 512 small contouring brush. I actually got this from a BoxyCharm and like I really like using this brush for cream contouring but also for like contouring because it's like nice and small. So I'm gonna take Sculpt again and I'm just gonna sculpt out the jawline. Behind the ear, I'll shape and just bring it down. I think this is like my favorite part now when I start contouring. And you guys see like I have so much glitter all over my face. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's the one thing that is just like annoying with the palette. It's just like all the fallout, the glitter fallout. So it doesn't stay on my eye, it just like falls. So at this point I'm mixing Sculpt and Frame because I want it to be like chiseling, but I also want it to be a little bit warmer, especially like under here. And then just, you're gonna drag it down right there. And I already had a little bit of like my foundation down my neck. Just always bring it down no matter what. And then you contour behind your ear. So that's what I've been liking to do as of lately. So here is the chisel effect. You can really see it on this side. So for the face contouring, I like to start with Slice, this tone right here. And this color is so beautiful for a crease shadow. Let's start right there. So I like to put this color down first and just really blend it out because it gives me like a nice little like warm shadow before I go in with the other colors. So I am actually going to take a little bit of Frame and Shade, #shade, both of these colors. And I'm gonna start right in the back. And then just circles all the way up. I just love those two colors mixed together. Shade, #shade, and Frame. Notch. then I'm just gonna finish off with shade only and just really work it on the little divot. So brown. And it's okay that's a little intense right now because we are going to go in with blush and highlight. So it is perfectly fine that it is hella intense right now. Blush. We are going in with his blush palette. Yes. Oh my gosh. I just love all of them. I can't even say like, oh, this is the one I like because I've tried all of them and I mixed all of them. So I'm gonna take Mango Fizz, Strike a Rose, Minimalistic, and Showy. And then we're just going to smile and just start at the apples of our cheeks. And then I'll go back in with Mango Fizz and Minimalistic, and I just really like to blend these into my contour. So you guys see how it lightens the contour immediately? That's why you kind of want to go in ham a little bit with the contour, just so it doesn't diffuse all of that sculpting. We're a little like intense right now, but that's all gonna change in a second. So there's like steps, like you won't look completely done until the very last step that you do, because that's where we go in with our spray. We just blend everything together with our beauty blender. So we are going to take, I'm just gonna take this Morphe M501 brush, this one. I like to use this one for highlight, and that's what we're going to do. I'm going to actually go with Twilight Sand. Right here, this is the palette. She is beautiful. And we are going to go in with Twilight Sand and a little bit of Golden Glow. Just both of those, mix those in. And then we are going to melt them into the rest of our blush, our contour. I know like people normally just do like right here, but like I like to blend it together because I want to catch the light from every angle, especially the side profile. And I just love how it looks into that color. So we're gonna go with Twilight Sand, Golden Glow, and then start right here and then blend. And we're not gonna do too much because I want to look like Tin Man. I'm gonna take a little bit of Candlelight and just hit my nose a little bit. So if you guys didn't watch the video to create this eye look, go ahead and check it out. And we're gonna do one last piece of the puzzle. We're gonna do one last step for this eye look that I did the other day for a makeup look I did, and it is putting Pink Crush on my tear duct, and I thought it was absolutely stunning. So I'm gonna do that again for this eye look. And last time I ended up wetting it, so if we need to I can do it again. But oh, you see how pretty that is? It just catches the light so nice. And then on the other side. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of, I'm gonna spray my all-nighter spray. I'm gonna spray my brush a little bit, maybe just like once, so I can pick up a little bit more of that Pink Crush and just apply it damp. Because it creates a different effect. It's definitely more intense once you wet it. Just love like the duochromness. Like it just goes perfectly. Okay, so last step, we are going to spray our face with the Morphe spray. This is clutch for making everything look united as one. It's clutch for making your face not look powdery. It's clutch for making everything stay, but I really love that it makes your makeup look like skin. That's why I always recommend it. Like if you say, oh, I want my makeup to stay all night, I don't want to sweat through it, then I recommend this one. But if you want it to look dewy and just like so beautiful and skin-like, this is your go-to guy. I want it to get a little tacky, so when I press in, I don't like pick everything back up, because that has happened to me before. And then when you go in to press your makeup in, you don't want to like tap how you would apply your makeup. You're basically just rolling your beauty blender. I'm telling you guys. So you just like literally press and roll, but just like very minimally. So I have these two colors from KKW Beauty. This one is pink number 4. Okay, I'm gonna take my gloss bomb. This is Diamond Milk Fenty Beauty. I'm just gonna put it on the back of my hand and hopefully you guys can see it, but it is beautiful. My gloss bomb. All right, you guys, so that was it for this video. We ended up beating this face using the BARNES palettes. Yes, we ended up using all 3 of these palettes on the skin. As you guys can see, like the face is just looking so glowy and showy. Let me know if you guys like how I split things up. I just feel like I'm able to show you guys a little bit more without making my videos really long. And yeah, so that is pretty much it. Leave me a comment down below for my subscriber shout outs. And yeah, so stay tuned for the next video. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to join my little familia here on YouTube. I love you guys so much. And thank you guys so much for watching. Adios.